Alrighty, this is not a video about an Aldi-born TV, 10 years old now, but I found this one, which is a 55-inch Polaroid PL55 on the side of the road. So it's a street boundary TV. It does seem to have a backlight problem, but I'm testing it now. But the main thing that I wanted to show you was how to vastly improve the audio quality without using a soundbar, if you're a bit handy, that is. So a couple of years ago I built a set of speakers. These are 4-inch drivers. They came out of an old rear projection TV. Either way, what I've done is I've terminated these in a standard 3.5 mono plug, and what I'm going to do is I've basically put a plug that bypasses the absolute rubbish. You can just sort of see it in there, the absolute rubbish speakers that are built into the TV. So I'll show you how I've done that in a second, but the sound quality improvement is absolutely vast. Okay, so I've just turned this on radio, and I'll show you what I'm doing. Just plug this in to bypass the inbuilt TV speakers. And the sound is absolutely 100% improvement, and that's basically because you've got a 10-watt amplifier in here, 10 watts RMS per channel, which is actually quite a lot. I mean, in the 1970s that would have been a home amplifier arrangement, so you've got enough power here to drive the speakers. So if I pull one out, you can listen to the difference. So they sound tinny and rubbish, and I'll show you how I've done it. So this TV, this Street Find, how good's this? Someone just threw this out. It doesn't have a remote, but I've bought I've ordered an off-brand remote, 2 HDMI, composite and component there. And if you just want to use a single RCA feed, say from your monitor out of your amplifier, just use the Y on the component in. Anyway, so I'll pull the back off this, and which is already unscrewed, and gently does it, and you can see, let's hang up on the power cord, you can see my little 3.5-inch bypass here. So this is the audio feed, you can see there, and then that goes to the two little speaker cradles here. So I've just basically cut it and put in a mono 3.5 female plug. So this is like a headphone jack in a phone or any device really. So when you plug your speaker connection in, it disconnects the factory speakers and diverts to my external speakers. Absolutely massive improvement. And so if you've got some old speakers lying around and you're handy, just drill a hole in the bottom of the case. It's about 6 or 7 mil, and you can save yourself having to buy a $600 soundbar, and the sound is pretty good.